Please ignore Chris. I don't know why Chris took up residence on my face overnight. I don't know where he came from or who told him he could stay, but he gets to go. Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be installing this wig and I'm going to be trying out some of the new pickups from the Sephora VRB sale. I hope you guys enjoyed. A lot of this are new stuff, and I'm also incorporating some of my old stuff like my NARS Radiant foundation, and also incorporating new stuff and talking a little bit about my experience being hospitalized, and also with my daughter having hand, foot and mouth disease. So if you want to see that, please stay tuned. I haven't installed wig on here in a long time and I'm getting back to it because I want to improve on my skills. But today is going to be a synthetica, and it is the butter lace that you guys saw me in my vlog struggling to put on. It's in 1B. What's the name of it? This is what it looks like. So I was trying to put this with lace wig on, but this is not big head friendly. So if your head's big, I wouldn't suggest you getting this wig. Cause I don't remember how I had some braids in and it wouldn't go on. But this is how it looks. It is a T-part wig, so that means it will be easy to install because it don't have that much lace to work with. I'm not a curly hair girl, but this looks good. And like this wig, all I'll do is just add me a I'll add me an elastic band on the sides and make it into like my throw on and go wig, especially since it's curly hair. I feel like curly hair doesn't require much or a lot of work. I'm gonna go in with the Ebin Wonderlace adhesive in the black Stronghold. I like to hold my head back so the glue doesn't run on my forehead and all my lace is glued down and I have to peel it back. So I hold my head back. I like to use one of these.
Some shit, man, but I be on my shit, man. I decided that what you give is what you're giving, so I've been trying to do it right. I've been doing like whatever gets me through the night. What a lie.
snipping away. And I don't even have anything on here. Anyways.
You steady always on the go. We steady losing all control. What a life. What a life. What a life.
Now I'm gonna go in with some spritz. I'm gonna let this stay for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll be back. So I wanted to try some of the stuff that I got from my Sephora VIB haul. And this is the Belief Aqua Balm. When I do my makeup, I just normally put on moisturizer. I feel like for my normal to combination skin, moisturizer works just fine. So now that's soaked in a little bit, I'm gonna do my brows. So I don't know about y'all, but since becoming a mom of 2, I used to do the whole extravagant eyeshadow. I still can do all that stuff, but now I'm just into clean makeup, like clean makeup. Please ignore Chris. I don't know why Chris took up residence on my face overnight. I don't know where he came from or who told him he could stay, but he gets to go. So I'm going to use the NARS Radiant Foundation in Moire 2.3 and also Syracuse Medium 1. And I'm going to mix them. In NARS foundation, I can never find my right shade, so I always have to mix. Don't know what it is about medium shades. A lot of the time they think we are all orange and we are not. And I didn't buy a whole ton of things because my foundation are not new. I've had this foundation. I think I only spent $100. I'm sure you guys will see it in my vlog video. I didn't have a lot of things on my list that I had to pick up, but shout out to Sephora, because Sephora is promoting the hell out of its savings event, and I like that. I like seeing people that look like me getting sponsored from these big companies, because not just look like me, but dark-skinned women, because I follow a lot of dark-skinned women here on YouTube. I love seeing them getting promotion and sponsored by these big name companies, because there's a big pay discrepancies between white and people of color influencers. Love seeing the girls getting their coin So according to TikTok, you're supposed to, where's that? You're supposed to blend out your concealer last, and I always blend it out first. So if you want that bright under eye look, this is not from Sephora. This is this is Juvia's Place concealer in number 16. So I've been getting into a blush a lot lately, and I got the Rare Beauty Love Blush, and I got the Rose Latte 10 from Fenty, and I don't know if I'm attracted to the same type of colors, but these are pretty close to one another. They're pretty close. So I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty one because it's on the newer side. I'm gonna use, I actually wanted the Charlotte Tilbury contouring cream wand, but they didn't have it at my Sephora. And it's also sold out online. The girlies sold that out. So I'll stick with e.l.f. for now. I don't know why I put my down. Thank you to everyone that commented on my video about, I was crying, I was all over the place, okay, with the mahlani, going to the ER. My ER experience was not that great, and I was crying, I was mad, and I also ended up in the hospital. I've been going to the gym, taking care of myself. They still don't know what happened and why, but I had a 103 fever. My blood pressure was high as hell, and I have this nasty cough that won't go away, and they kept me in there for about 2 to 3 days, and I was scared as hell because I've never been admitted in a hospital before. But as far as mahlani, I've been using cortisol 10 on her skin and tea tree oil. Someone also said I should put Dettol in her water when she bathes, so I'm also going to do that. But overall, her skin is getting better. She still have some spots from hand, foot and mouth disease, and I realized from my video that a lot of people have never experienced hand, foot and mouth disease. I've never experienced this. This is my first time, and I think that was one of the reasons why I was freaking the hell out. But yeah, we're okay, taking it day by day. I got this orangey color, and I also have this color. I think I'm gonna go in with this color and mix both of them. I'm scared. This is pigmented. Something is really pigmented like this. I like to go back in with my foundation brush and just blend it out. I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury powder in medium 2. I actually like this powder a lot. It doesn't make my under eye cakey and dry, because especially now that it's fall, I tend to get dry So I'm going in with this e.l.f. lip liner. I think I got this from the dollar store. This lip liner look exactly like BFF3 from ColourPop. What color is this? I don't even say. It just says 1902. So three of these came in the Fenty set. This is it's not even time for you to get up yet. Why are you up? I got it in Cupcake, Fenty Glow. I have Fenty Glow already. And then this one is Fuchsia Flex. I'm going to use Fuchsia Flex just to see how. This is gonna be like a perfect holiday color. I'm gonna put some bronzer in my crease and then I will be done with my makeup. And I used to wear a whole lot of lashes. I don't wear a whole lot of lashes anymore. I barely wear mascara. Why did my daughter wake up? It's not even time for her to wake up. It's 2:56. She's not supposed to get up until 4. No, I need to hurry up because she will be in everything. But to get my foundation, this line of demarcation. I just like to use my foundation brush to blend it out. Let's talk about some of the stuff that I pick up from Sephora. I love the lip gloss. I love Fenty lip glosses. They are amazing. And as you guys can see, I bought a lot of skincare stuff, not necessarily makeup stuff, and a lot of the stuff that I have and use I already love. I will say the Sephora blush is super pigmented, also love that for me. And the Belief Aqua Bomb, love it. I've been using it for a while. I need to use it some more, especially because it's skincare, to see what I think about it. But that's about it. So I wanted to tell you guys about this unit. This is a synthetic wig. This is a T-part wig. So you don't have that much lace. You have about, let me see, 1 inch growing from ear to ear, and then your middle part, as you can see, it's curly. I got it in a 1B. You can definitely cut this and layer it, but I love the way how it looks. It is not heavy at all, and now that it's kind of fall time, I can definitely get away with wearing something like this and not be overheated. In Florida, I feel like the more like you fluff this is the bigger it's going to get. So I'm trying not to run my hand too much through this because I have a smaller face and I don't want it to overtake my face. But if you love big hair, you can continue to play with this bad boy and it's gonna get big. I love it so far. You can definitely incorporate your baby hairs. As you guys know, I'm not a baby hair type of girl, but you can definitely do your baby hair. And I will say this is not big head friendly, so if you have a bigger head, this is not going to fit you properly. It's probably going to be too tight, and it's probably going to slide back when you try to glue it down, because I have a smaller head and it wasn't the easiest to install when I had bigger braids in. Now all I did was twist my hair and braid it in two, and it seemed to make the wig lay flatter. So those are like my pros and cons with this wig. Comment which other sensational unit you've been loving or you have your eye on, because they're getting really good at making these synthetic wigs look natural and also last a very long time. And the lace on this blend amazing with my skin tone. I didn't have to do much. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.